Previously on Greens and Machines. With the sunflower challenge complete, Vinny's sunflowers have died off. What do you do after your sunflowers have died? Save the seeds. In this video, you will learn how to save seeds from sunflowers.
greensandmachines.com.
If you haven't seen the previous videos in the Sunflower Challenge series, be sure to check them out before diving into this video. To save seeds from sunflowers, first you need to wait for the plant to die off. When the flower blooms, the seeds are pollinated and the seeds develop and grow. During these few weeks, the sunflowers will look droopy and the stems will turn from green to brown. Once the heads have dried off, now is the time to harvest them to extract the seeds. For a home garden, you can get away with using a pair of scissors to cut the heads. This is also the time to remove the stalks from the garden. After allowing a few more days for the heads to dry a bit further, it is time to extract the seeds. Set up a bin over where you will be extracting the seeds, as they will go everywhere. On the surface, there is a layer of florets above the layer of seeds. Brush this layer away with your fingers first. Now the seeds can be seen, neatly packed in the head of the sunflower. Using your fingers, briskly rub the seeds to detach them from the flower head. This is a very satisfying feeling. When all the seeds have been removed, you will now have a mix of seeds and chaff. You can use your breath or a fan to blow away the chaff. Save your seeds in a bag and store them in a cool, dry location until next spring. And that's it! Now you can regrow the seeds from your sunflowers you grew next year. Hey, be sure to hit that like button if you found this video informative, and be sure to subscribe to Greens and Machines to be informed for when our next videos debut. If you haven't watched the previous sunflower videos from this past year, go watch one of those. We'll see you in the next video.